Welcome to the third module, children. At first, let me give you an introduction about why the challenges are being faced by political parties. See, whenever something goes wrong in the country or in the state, people start blaming the political parties. They say that the political parties are not performing their functions well. People are ready to express their dissatisfaction and, above all, criticism. It is these criticisms that has focused on four problematic areas in the working of political parties. The political parties in a democracy, they need to face and overcome all these four challenges in order to remain effective instruments. One of the challenges lack of internal democracy within the political parties. Take the case of a family. The father is the head of the family. He is the leader of the family. The mother is an active member, and all the children are the followers. Clear? Whatever decision is taken by the father has to be intimated to the mother as well as to the children. But suppose if that doesn't happen, the unity of the family will be destroyed. The mother will say, I don't know what decision father took. Children will say, we don't know what is decided. Same is the case among the political parties. Clear? There is a tendency of political parties towards a concentration of power in one or few leaders at the top. And the parties, they do not keep any membership register, they do not hold organizational meeting, nor do they conduct internal elections regularly. Ordinary members of the party, they are completely unaware of what is happening within the political parties. The ordinary citizens, they don't have the means, they don't have the resource, nor do they have any connection needed to influence in the decision making. As a result, the leaders, they assume greater power in the decision making, and one or few leaders, they exercise paramount power in the party. And those who disagree with the leadership, they will definitely find it very difficult to stick on to the political parties. What is more important is that loyalty to the leader is very much essential rather than being, loyal to the party principles and policies. So, children, we are discussing about the challenges of political parties. One of the challenge, lack of internal democracy. Let's talk about the second challenge. What is it? Challenge of dynastic succession. We had discussed about irregularity of conducting elections. When we were talking about the first challenge, lack of internal democracy. So here we are saying that ordinary workers in the political party, they are unable to rise to the top. Why? Because there is no regular elections being conducted. Another point under this challenge of dynastic succession is that those who happen to be the leaders, they are in a position of unfair advantage by showing partiality towards his own family members. The other two challenges we shall explain in the next week. Thank you.